All right, welcome to Gahfu, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United. This is YouTube's Gahfu channel. We are showing you footage of our trip from the Long Beach Airport in Long Beach, California, flying right over the downtown Long Beach area. As you can see, right in the center is the Los Angeles River. We're flying over a golf course located right next to Los Angeles River, right around Long Beach Freeway and the 91st Freeway. We are moving south on the 710 freeway. You can see the 710 freeway right there, headed south, and that's where we're headed on this airplane. I am flying on American Airlines, and the final destination will be Louisville, Kentucky, like people from Kentucky say, Louisville. I have a stopover in Dallas, Fort Worth. And going back to Long Beach right now, you can see the 405 freeway in the southern direction towards San Diego. Right here you can see the Los Angeles River right down into the bay. And you could see what it used to be the Spruce Goose building, which is located right next to the big boat. You can see the Port of Long Beach and all its beauty and majesty right along the Searchlight Park. And we're headed right into the ocean to make a turnaround. Now you can see the beautiful bay and the wave breakers between Long Beach and Orange County. I am panning towards the Port of Long Beach. To my left, you can see San Pedro and Los Angeles Harbor. It's just a beautiful day, sunny. Far on the horizon you could see Santa Monica, Malibu. But as we continue heading south on our flight to Dallas, Fort Worth, you can see the beautiful scenery of downtown Long Beach as we approach Orange County. You can see not as many container boats as there used to be when they were stagnated and stacked up waiting to be unloaded. It has cleared by now. Now we're getting inland. We're driving away from the freeway, from the ocean into the mainland. This right here happens to be Riverside area, Imperial County. And I've decided to cut off the sound from the airplane because it was too noisy. We were flying on American Eagle, which is owned by American Airlines. So as we head towards Dallas, Texas, I will be doing a layover about maybe 30 minutes and catch the next flight again on American Eagle from Dallas, Fort Worth, all the way to Louisville, Kentucky, which will be another 2.5 hours flight, about 2 hours and 20 minutes, which is pretty much the time that it took to fly from Long Beach Airport to Dallas, Texas. This is already the skyline on top of the metropolitan area of Dallas, Texas. You could see the arena down there. It looks like it's the basketball arena and the hockey arena, if they have a hockey team. I see two big venues. And we're approaching the landing strip at Dallas, Fort Worth. I hope you enjoy this wonderful view of my flight between Long Beach, California to Louisville, Kentucky, with a layover in Dallas, Texas. It is approximately 5:25 in the evening, and by the time we landed, it was already 6 p.m. So I had to rush through the airport to go to the next gate with my connecting flight. You can feel the vibration already as we land in Dallas, Texas. I was unable to videotape my connecting flight from Dallas to Kentucky because it was already nighttime, and so the quality of video would have been poor. Even the reflecting light of the sunlight here as we were landing kind of took away from the beauty of downtown Dallas. Now, these are the pictures in Louisville, Kentucky. This is 4th Street, downtown Louisville. Commercial buildings, the world famous smokehouse, and you are probably familiar with that name. This is the beautiful downtown area, which is closed to traffic. So it is a beautiful place for you to dine and wine. There's a lot of good food there.